are extensor muscles. Anterior muscles are extensor muscles. In the arm, anterior one was the flexor muscles. Posterior muscles, basically, they are involved in flexing. Muscles on the side, they are involved in abduction. Muscles in the middle involved in adduction. All right? Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the major muscles. Gluteus maximus. Remove that, you should be able to see the gluteus medius. Underneath, gluteus medius. Gluteus medius, if you come up, you could see it partially. If you come over here, here's the gluteus maximus. From here up, this is gluteus medius. You can observe a flat tendon on the lateral aspects of the thigh, and if you continue going up, this muscle right here is called tensor fascia lat. Tensor fascia lat. These are quadriceps muscles. Quad means four. So the first one right here, rectus femoris. Rectus femoris. Muscle medial to it right here. Vastus medialis. Muscle lateral to it, this one. Vastus lateralis. So far we got three. Rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus lateralis. There is a fourth one, but I don't know why they didn't put it. It'd be under here. It's not part of your list, but under it, it would be the vastus intermedius, making up the four quadriceps muscle. That's quadriceps muscle. Over here is the Sartorius. It's also known as Taylor's muscle for the action in which they perform, that is crossing of the leg. Sartorius. You come to the medial aspects of the thigh, you see kind of like a V shape, right? This one right here is called gracilis. Gracilis. Between gracilis and Sartorius lies adductor longus. Adductor longus. All right? Towards the posterior to the gracilis is adductor magnus. Adductor magnus. Now we're turning it to the posterior side and we're looking at the hamstring muscles. Hamstring muscles. One, a lateral, you can see this is the lateral aspects of the leg. Biceps femoris. It's right next to the femur, femoris. Biceps has two heads. Okay, biceps femoris. On the medial to it, you have semitendinosus. Semitendinosus. Semitendinosus is on top of this muscle right here. This is semimembranosus. You could observe semimembranosus here too. So these are the muscles underneath it, this one is on top. You can't separate this. You could separate this one and look at it from that end. So semitendinosus has a T. The way I remember it is on top T of the semimembranosus. So those are the muscles of the thigh. We're going to here. This one is called the gastrocnemius. Gastrocnemius is attached to the calcaneus by way of Achilles tendon. Okay? Gastrocnemius. There's a muscle underneath that right here, and there's a muscle right here. You could see it from both ends, or you could just separate them and look at it from this end. This muscle is called soleus. Gastrocnemius, soleus. Both of them inserts into the calcaneus. Maybe because it looks like a sole of a flat fish. Soleus. This one is tibia. Muscles anterior to the tibia is called tibialis anterior. Tibialis anterior. Right here, remember I told you all these muscles are extensor. This one is extensor, digitorum, longus. Extensor for the action. Digitorum, because the tendon goes to the digit, extends the fingers. Longus is very long, see? Extensor, digitorum, longus. Come towards the fibula. You see, this bone is the fibula. This part right here is the lateral malleolus. Okay? This is fibularis, but there is two of them. 35 right here, fibularis longus. And then these fibers, you can see slightly, they're going in different direction. Fibularis brevis. Brevis means short, longus means long. And this one also is not on your list, so don't worry about it, but this one is flexor digitorum longus. So it tells you that these are flexors. That's it for the legs, guys.